Welcome to today's tutorial, where you'll discover how to set Google Chrome as the default browser in Windows 11. Let's dive right in. To begin, locate and click on the Start button in the Windows 11 taskbar. Next, select Settings from the menu that appears. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Apps from the left drop-down menu. Within the Apps section, click on Default Apps. Here, you'll find all your installed apps listed. Scroll down until you locate Google Chrome and click on it. Once you're in the Google Chrome settings, click on Set Default next to make Google Chrome your default browser. Additionally, you can set Google Chrome as the default browser for PDF files and other file types. Simply navigate to the respective file type, example, PDF, select Google Chrome from the drop-down list, and click on Set as Default. And there you have it! You successfully set Google Chrome as the default browser in Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.